Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to add or enroll into your classes. So here's a step by step. Usually, what you want to do is do this. So let's say your time is at, I don't remember what you said, but like at 10:30. You want to come log in, open your computer 10 minutes ahead, and just sit here. Yes, it's really competitive. So I recommend you really come in early. Sometimes they take up your classes and you would just have to look for a different class. And so what you want to do is go to log in, and then you open up Student Center right here, and it'll pop up another tab for you. And you want to copy and paste that and open up another tab. I really recommend having a lot of tabs open right now, because that's how it's going to be more efficient this way, instead of just doing everything on one tab, going back and forth, looking at it. And so what you want to do after that is, I have all the links listed here. So rate my professor, your list of classes you need to take, and the map. I didn't send that to you yet, but I'll send it in a bit. So the reason why you want to have this open, to see how good the professors are and how easy that class is. And you want to have the campus map open to see how far the classes are from each other, to see if you'll make it to class on time. You say, oh, you probably will, but it depends on, sometimes you have like 10 minutes and you can have a class across campus and not make it on time. And some teachers do close the door right when the time starts, so it's just depending on your class, but you never know. And so what you want to do after that, having all these tabs open, you already have it like that, but just have this one. So usually what you would want to do is go to add classes. So you just go to enrollment, you press that button down, you go to add class or shopping cart. It will send you to the same thing. And so usually it might pop up a screen like this for you. So you want to do fall 2022. And then after you do fall 2022, you'll go to search for classes right here. And you, like I said, you have your classes listed here. So you just do math 1. So what you want to do is class search. And you go down right here and you do math. And then just 1. You want to do exactly like I left it here on the Discord thing. And the easier way to do it for you, instead of, you want to click show open classes only. Because if you don't do that, it will put you onto some classes that are closed, and you're just going to have to be looking through that big ass list. I would recommend doing math 1. Math is a priority. I would recommend you searching a math first and bio 20. That's like the 2 main classes that will be taken up really quick. So do these 2 first, math and bio. And so what you want to do is have a couple goals in mind when you're looking for your classes. What days do you want and what time do you not want to go? Sometimes you're gonna have to go out of the time zone that you want and the days that you want. So usually I would recommend you, it just depends on what you want, honestly, but I wouldn't recommend going early or staying too late after class. Or like I would say, since we're doing fall, I wouldn't recommend staying past sunset. So let's say sunset's at 5. I would not recommend that, because Sac State isn't safe, really safe after dark. So I would say, maybe not 8, 9, 10, and 4 the latest. So it depends on you if you want your classes spread out like this for 1 hour for 3 days out of the week. I would say not. I would say you just do the 2, especially since it's just math 1. It's pretty easy. So I would say like this. You could do Tuesday, Thursday at 9 a.m. That's perfectly fine. And I would check on the teacher too before you add it to your cart. And so how you want to do it. Let's say you want this class right here. So you would search up the teacher. The teacher's name is Jay Cummings. So you want to do Jay. Oops. You want to do Jay Cummings right here into the professor. Usually it doesn't have this for you. So it'll just be like your school like that. And then you want to do Sac State. It'll pop up and you want to write in Jay Cummings. And then sometimes if you don't read this right, it'll say like English. So right now we're looking for your math and the topic might be English. There might be different J's or Cummings. So you just want to click the right one. And then you see his class is pretty easy to take. And a lot of people would retake it again. And like if we looked up a different class that I have, oh, Kava, that's funny. A different class that I have, let me go back. Like this, oh, if you see, 50% of the people would take it again. It's like a 3 difficulty. I would say once it's 4 and up, the class is really hard. But the fact that half the class would not retake, half the people would not retake it again, that's a bad sign. But if this is your last option, I would say fuck it and take it. And so, since you have it right there, you like that teacher that you have, you click select. Even though it's a different time zone, it's okay. I mean, not for you, but for me, I'm just showing you an example. You always want to click check, all right? So you go back to that class, you click check, and then you click next. And then it's gonna be added to your shopping cart too. And so once you add it to your shopping cart, it's gonna be right here. And okay, I don't know why this side is like that. Let's add that again. Okay, so once we already have it like that though, it'll show us our whole schedule right here. And what you want to do is just go back up here, search for class. Since I said you want to do bio 20 next, you want to just search up literally bio. And then you put in 20. And you always want to click show open classes right there in that corner, but I missed that. And so, ooh. I searched up bio 20, and for you, it's going to be the same. I'm pretty sure this one class is going to be very hard to get into. Monday, Wednesday, that's if you want to stay that late. So what you do is click select. Always wait class is full, and you click next, add it to your shopping cart. And then let's say if we're looking for English 5 next, we're gonna do search, do English, and then we're gonna do 5. And then let's say this is all the classes we're planning on taking. We want to add more, right? So we have Monday at 2, Monday at 10. You know, you want to make sure your classes don't clash together. So if I wanted Monday through Wednesday at 12 right here, let's see if I could do it. So we could take Monday through 12. And we see this would be a really tight squeeze because it says 1:15 and the class starts at 1. So I would not be able to take that class because yeah, my class starts and this class ends. So I would have to skip, go here, skip it also because this class is already there. And you never want to do the to be announced because you don't know if it's going to fit into your schedule. And what you want to keep looking, and then you just click add. And then so after you do that, after you added all the classes you want, you're going to want to just click check mark on all these. And you click enroll. And then that's it. You're good. And I'm pretty sure that's everything for right now. Or, oh, I forgot to show you the map too. So what you want to do is add with the map. Let's look at our classes right here to see if you had like, sometimes you might have 5 minutes to walk to class. Sometimes you might have 10 minutes or 15. Or you can have a big break in between and be like an hour or two, as long as you want. Or if whatever the classes have for you. So let's say if on Tuesday, Thursday, we have a class. Okay, that's not even clashing. So yeah, Tuesday, Thursday. A class ends at 11:45 and starts at 12. So it's going to be Tahoe and Del Norte. I don't know how to say that. So we're going to have that right here. And so we know that the class is next to parking lot 3 right here. And so it's going to be right there. Let's see where Tahoe is at. Tahoe is all the way down here. So we're going to have a class all the way up here, all the way down there. We cannot walk. We probably could walk that in 15 minutes. Sometimes your teacher is going to hold you in. You never know. So I just want to be careful with that. Sometimes it could be all the way over here and all the way over here. You would not make that because the campus is big. And even if you speed walk, I can't walk that fast in class. So it just depends. And after that, you enroll. Sometimes it might tell you that after you click enroll, it's going to be an error. You can't enroll. If it does that, you're gonna either gonna have to pick a different the same class, different teacher, different time, or it's gonna have to pick a total different class. And yeah, and after that, even if sometimes it'll put you on waitlisted too when you enroll. Once you're waitlisted, just pick a different class, just in case. And I believe that's everything. So I would just recommend, like I said, I would recommend doing bio first and then math. I'm pretty sure that is the only bio class that's left open. So I don't remember the time, but it was like at 1 or something. It ends, I know for sure it ends at 4:15. That's not too bad, depending if you're okay with that. So yeah, good luck.